Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Jamison and this is how I cook. On this edition of Mixology Mondays, I'm gonna show you guys how to make an espresso martini using vodka. Up next on This Is How I Cook. Okay guys, before we get farther into the video, do me a favor, hit that subscription button and turn on those notifications. It really does help my channel to grow. So to build our martini, we're gonna start here with a shaker full of ice. To that shaker full of ice, we're gonna add in some Ketel One vodka. So we're gonna add in 2 ounces of vodka. Next, we're gonna add in some coffee liqueur. I use Kahlúa coffee liqueur. So to that shaker, we're gonna add about a ½ ounce of our coffee liqueur. Next, we're gonna add in some chocolate liqueur. Some recipes for espresso martinis call for simple syrup, but I like adding in the chocolate because I think it complements the coffee flavors very well. So this is gonna be a ½ ounce of our Godiva chocolate liqueur. And our last ingredient is our espresso. So this is about 1 ounce of espresso, and we're gonna pour that in. One of the things I want you to keep in mind with your espresso is that I make my espresso from dark roasted coffee. And so I make it fresh for my espresso martini. Last thing we need to do is close this up and give this a good vigorous shake until the shaker becomes ice cold. Finally, into our martini glass, we take our espresso martini and pour it in. Look how pretty that espresso martini is as we pour it into our martini glass. And for our final touch, we're gonna add in some coffee beans as a garnish. And there you have it, your espresso martini made with Ketel One vodka. Okay guys, so I showed you how to make an espresso martini using tequila, and I also showed you how to make an espresso martini using vodka. Do you wanna see my reaction to these drinks? Well, here's the video of my reaction right here. Click that link and hop on over to the other video so you guys can see exactly what I think of the comparison between an espresso martini with vodka and an espresso martini with tequila. Guys, I'm Jamison. Do me a favor, hit that subscription button on the way out. Thank you guys again, and leave me a comment. Which one do you prefer? Tequila in your espresso martini, or do you prefer vodka? You guys take care. I've got to try these drinks.